Hi, it's Emily and thank you so much for clicking today's video. So for today's video, I decided to create a more classic and timeless Valentine's Day makeup look, and I did create a more fun and colorful one. I'll make sure to link that one down in the description. But if you want to see how I create this look, then let's just get into the video. I always like to start off by priming my lids, and for that I'm using the MAC Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot, which I use in a lot of my videos. I'm then going to set my primer with a translucent base just to make sure that everything smoothly blends on top. Today I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe, but you don't have to use the same palette as me. You can always just use similar colors to get the same look. I'm first going to start off by building up my crease, and for that I'm using Silk Cream and MFEO from the palette. I'm then going to add a little bit of butter just to add a little bit more depth. I'm then going to darken my outer corners with a little bit of mocha, which is this really pretty rich brown. For my lids, I'm going to be using Obsessed, which is this really pretty pewter color. I'm then going to do my brows with these products. For foundation, lately I've been mixing the Morphe and Pixie Jasmine Oil Blend to give it the dewy finish that I've been wanting. I'm then using my usual concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm then setting all of my concealer and foundation with the Pixie by Petra Flawless Finishing Powder. For some contour and definition today, I'm going to be using the Pixie by Petra Shape and Shadow. For my blush today, I'm going into the Morphe Warm Master palette, and I decided to mix a little bit of Beat and Unapologetic. For my highlighter today, I'm going to be going into the Makeup Geek and Kathleen Lights highlighter palette. I'm going to be using the color in Nightlight. And then I'm just going to set all those layers of makeup like I usually do to make sure they all melt together. For my lower lash line, I'm first going to start off by putting a little bit of mocha just on the outer third of the eye. I'm then going to blend that out with a little bit of Silk Cream and butter. I'm then going to take a little bit of Obsessed and put that in the inner third corner of the lower lash line. For the highlight under my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to be using Enlight. For my mascara today, I'm going to be using the Pixie by Petra Double Brush Mascara. Then for my lips today, I decided to use the Bite Beauty Mousse Bouche Lipstick in Tannin. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this a thumbs up if you liked it and you want to see more videos like it. Also leave a comment down below what you're doing for Valentine's Day and what type of videos you'd like to see me create next. And subscribe if you haven't joined, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!